In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Roblox in 2025 with a straightforward step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to roblox.com and make sure you're logged into your account. For this walkthrough, it's essential that you're signed in because the settings we'll be adjusting are linked directly to your personal account. Once you're in, locate the gear icon. You'll spot this at the top right corner of your screen. Just give that a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can modify a variety of account preferences, but today we're focusing on currency. Once you've clicked into Settings, you'll see various categories on the left. Here, you're interested in Account Info. Clicking on Account Info will present you with a block of personal details. Amidst all these options, look for the Location setting. This is where you get to select the country corresponding to the currency you'd like to use. To change your currency, click on the drop-down menu under Location. For instance, if you want prices displayed in US dollars, you'll select United States. If you'd prefer the Philippine peso, choose Philippines. Likewise, for British pounds, select UK. After you've made your selection, don't forget the ever-important step of scrolling down and clicking Save. This ensures all changes are stored and your account settings are updated. But you're not quite finished yet. To fully implement these changes, you need to log out of your account and then log back in. This action refreshes your settings and applies the new currency choice across your account. Now, the moment of truth. Head over to the Robux purchase page. If all went according to plan, you should see Robux prices now displayed in the currency you selected. This confirms that your change was successful and you're now all set to shop and play with your preferred regional prices. If you followed along carefully, you should have no trouble changing the currency on your Roblox account. This adjustment can be particularly beneficial if you've recently moved to a different country or prefer managing your gaming expenses in a specific currency. By changing the location linked to your accounts, you effectively alter the currency in which your purchases and balances are displayed, making your gaming experience much more tailored and convenient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you transform your Roblox account settings seamlessly. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this tutorial useful, and subscribe for more helpful tips and updates.